Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage per app permissions in Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11, you want to manage your per app permissions, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go to your settings. Now, once you are in settings, you just have to select privacy and security, and here just scroll down and you might see app permissions. Here you'll see all the permissions that might be able to access apps. Now let's say I'm going to select my camera. Here just select camera. Now here's the camera access. If you completely disable this, it will not allow anything to access your camera. So you have to enable this from here. Once I've enabled, here's the option of let apps access your camera. Under that, you might see all the apps can access your camera. So you just have to enable and disable this toggle for the app which you want to. Now, as same, you can select microphone, and here you must see all the apps can use or access your microphone. So you just have to enable or disable this for any app which one you want to. So you can see that my microphone is being in use with this app. So you can easily enable and disable with the app which you want. Here's a location, camera, phone, voice activation, notification, account info, and much more. You can easily customize them from here. So this way you can easily manage your Windows permissions per app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.